I'm sewing 11 feet by 15 feet 2-layer type wrap is huge one, and use a small single sewing machine. Okay, so I put 2 layers together in the garage, and I use this thread is a special like the fish strained type, and I put it in a small chair and sitting in a low chair. Instead of move the fabric, I move the sewing machine along the way that to all the edge and make a big pocket. And in the winter I can drive the lawnmower inside this bag and type at the end, so I can put it in the under the deck. So see how I move around the edge of the tape. So move the chair to adjust. Don't pull the fabric, it's too thick and too hard, otherwise it will break the sewing machine. So I just sew it like this.